Why you always lying? Oh my God.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Boy, if you don't get
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
he needs some milk.
Oh, my God.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.